Welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. And today we're breaking down the English that confuses everyone.
Gen Z English. These phrases are everywhere on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube,
And half the adults still don't know what they mean.
including Jack.
Okay, listen. I'm trying.
First phrase, that's wild.
Meaning unbelievable, surprising, or chaotic.
Example, you learned English in 6 months? That's wild.
Or Jack came to the studio on time.
Extremely wild.
Next one. No cap.
It means no lie or I'm being serious.
Example. Your English is improving fast. No cap.
Or Jack eats snacks between every recording.
No cap.
This one confused a lot of learners. I'm him or she's her.
It means I'm the best or I'm confident, not literally gender.
Example, you passed the exam, you're him.
Emma is definitely her when it comes to pronunciation.
Thank you, Jack.
I'm him at eating snacks.
One of my favorites, it's giving.
Meaning, it feels like, it looks like, or it reminds me of.
Example, your outfit is giving summer vibes.
Your stress is giving midterms energy.
Jack's jokes are giving uncle at a barbecue.
That hurt.
Slay doesn't mean murder.
Don't worry.
It means to do something amazingly well.
Example, you slayed that presentation.
Or your English pronunciation slays.
I slayed breakfast today.
Jack, that's not how it works.
Next, it be like that.
It means that's how life is sometimes.
Example, I studied but still got tired.
It be like that. Okay, listeners, mini quiz time. I'll say a situation, you choose a Gen Z phrase. 1. Your friend gets a promotion. 2. You see something unbelievable. 3. Someone is being serious. 4. A situation is sad but normal.
Answers. 1. Slay. 2. That's wild. 3. No cap. 4. It be like that.
Let us know your score in the comments.
No cap.
And that wraps up today's episode on Gen Z English.
If you want part 2 or slang from another country, leave a suggestion.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend.
Stay cool
Stay learning.
and stay slang.